Hi, this is Frank Contesky with MarineMax out of Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2019 245 Sailfish dual console. The whole side color is a slate gray. Moving to the transom, you can see this boat is powered by a Yamaha 300 XCA, so you're actually getting the digital throttle. This boat does have the entertainment package, so you do get the underwater lights. We also equipped this boat with trim tabs. Moving up onto the transom. On the port side, you have your live well, 2 rod holders on the center of the transom, next to a telescoping tow bar. On the starboard side, we have the option of the added seat to make it a full kind of U shape in here. Sailfish offers a lot of cup holders in their cockpit and in the bow. You have 3 right here behind the driver's seat. 2 cup holders are actually rod holders as well. Then you can also see right in front of that cup holder rod holder is their fender clips, so you don't have to use space from your cleat. And you can tie your fender off right on the fender clip. At the helm, you have a high-low captain's chair, leather-bound steering wheel, Fusion stereo system, a 10-inch Garmin screen, your Yamaha, you can get all your data off this screen, VHF, and power assist steering. To your port, you have your head. This is the upgraded head interior. You have 2 cup holders in there, sink, some netting storage. This is an electric head. One of the best parts about this boat is the hardtop. Hardtop covers all the way across the beam. You get netting in here for storage of preservers or anything you want to keep dry and up and out of the way. Rocket launchers on both sides, LED spreader lights, and this has the wet sound fusion stereo system, so you get 2 speakers in the hardtop. Moving up to the bow, I'll let Pete step by me. You get really nice forward-facing loungers. Underneath each seat, you do get an insulated fish box. Noise dampening on the top as well, on the bottom of the lid. 2 cup holders per each side. The windlass is a stainless steel Lumar over the top, not a through hole, so you can see it as you're bringing it up. Also, you have a table base. The table is conveniently stored underneath the helm area. I'll let Pete come by me again. You can see the table tucks away up there. It's not going to rattle around while you're running and bang around. You also have rod storage in the floor here as well. What's nice is this is a locking locker, so you can keep your rods in here, stow them away at the marina, lock it up so you know no one's going to take anything from you. For more information on this boat or any other boat that MarineMax offers, ask for Frank Contesky at 732-330-2609. Thank you for your time.